In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock and choose Face and Fingerprint Unlock section over here. Now enter your screen lock, hit Face Unlock under Waist Unlock, and finally tap on Setup at the bottom right corner. Then select Next, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Select Done. Make sure this switcher next to unlock your phone is blue, because without it, you won't be able to use face recognition to unlock your Motorola. And when you finished, go back. So now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!